Now we're going to make a super simple patriotic hair bow or pet bow. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Mini Bowdabra. I've got my wire already cut, and I'm going to fold it in half, lay it into the Mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I've already dovetailed this ribbon, but just as a refresher, to dovetail, what you want to do is fold your ribbon in half, and then you just cut it towards the fold from the ends. So I'm going to find the center, do a little mountain in the top, and scrunch that because that keeps it shaped really pretty. Then I have this piece of scrunchie ribbon, and I'm just going to scrunch that. Then I've got a little piece of glittered ribbon, and I have the wired edges here, and I'm just going to scrunch that down in the middle. Then I have this really fun, it's like a wired bead, and I'm just going to lay that down in the middle. Then I'm going to take my Mini Bowdabra wand, take my Bowdabra bow wire, then I'm going to pull the wire through my loop, hold my bow down tightly as I pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to knot it. I can just tie this, let's just shape it a little bit, and I can tie this onto a headband or onto a dog collar. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.